Good afternoon. Myself Archana Kale. Noise pollution is increased a lot, mainly due to traffic noise. It should be continuously recorded, monitored and minimized. For that, here is a case study of equivalent continuous sound level at specific areas of Pune city. Now, evaluation of this noise is done by selecting three main points of Pune city. Area 1, which is purely commercial, which is Swargate Chowk, one of the noisiest spot in Pune city, containing ST terminus, PMT hub, auto rickshaw stand, nodal point of many main roads, Shankar Shet Road, Satara Road, Tiak Road, etc. It's having construction work going on for metro station. Flyover and underground tracks are there. Roadside shops of tea, snacks, etc. and also having restaurants, travel office, lodges. Area 2 is commercial as well as residential, which is Panchami Chowk, very near to Swargate Chowk. It's on Satara Road, having hotels, shops, dining halls, diagnostics centers, etc. along with residential building, bungalows and slum area. It is the starting point of the flyover going to Sarasbag and Hadapsar, crossing Swargate Chowk. Area 3 is residential area. It's a quiet place having very less traffic comparatively. Sound level meter readings are taken for these three areas from 6 am in the morning to 8 p.m. in the evening after the interval of 2 hours. The readings are recorded here. Now, equivalent continuous sound level LAEQ, that is the decibel level which would produce a same A-weighted sound energy over a given period of time as a specified time varying sound, which is calculated with a given equation 10 log to the base 10 1 upon T2 minus T1 integral from T1 to T2 PA square by P0 square dt. It gives the answer in dPa. PA is A-weighted pressure, P0 is reference pressure, T1 is starting time which is 6 am, T2 is end time which is 8 pm. Now as SPL is 10 log to the base 10 PA square by P0 square, PA square by P0 square is antilog of SPL, that is the reading which we are taking, divided by 10. The area 1 is giving LAEQ, equivalent continuous sound level, as 80.76 dBA. For area 2 it is 77 dBA and for area 3 it is 45.51 dBA. Now area 3 is comparatively quieter place. Area 1 and area 2 are noisier due to heavy traffic, exhaust of vehicle, honking, structural noise and echoes. To minimize these noise, as it is very hazardous to human life, the health of human life, we will have to do something. Mainly we can have sound absorbing structures in that church. Vertical gardens can be built on the columns of the bridges. Use of balconies or galleries for tree plantation, as trees absorbs sound. Glass walls and metal structures are to be avoided as they reflect sound. It should be declared as the church should be declared as no horn zone, and the exhaust noise of vehicle to be monitored and minimized using enhanced improved mufflers. Thank you.